Building fire simulation demonstration with automatic fire alarm system. To understand the working principle of automatic fire alarm system. LD3000 endpoint type optical smoke detector. It is the most used alarm product in buildings. After the smoke enters the maze, the receiver receives the scattered infrared light. When the smoke reaches the concentration specified by the national standard, LD3000 endpoint type optical smoke detector will send out a fire alarm signal and transmit to the central control room LD12812 fire alarm controller. The sound and light alarm is installed in the evacuation channel and at the entrance of the evacuation channel. In a noisy environment or poor visibility, acousto-optic alarm can be prompted by sound and flash to guide the evacuation. In case of fire in the building, the LD6804M module can be used to broadcast adjacent layers in the broadcast system. Warn people to evacuate. Please evacuate via the nearest fire stairs and don't take the elevator. LD6800 EC module makes the elevator automatically forced landing to the first floor. Do not take the elevator at this time to avoid accidents. Please use the nearest fire stairs. In the common area of the building, the exhaust vent can be opened by the LD6800 EC module. When the detector alarms, the controller sends a command to the LD6800 EC to open the exhaust vent and send a feedback signal back to the central control room. Start the exhaust fan with feedback signals from the LD6800 EC module installed in the TUL. The exhaust fan draws out the black smoke from the building to minimize the harm of smoke to people. When the fire spreads, hydrants are needed to extinguish the fire in the building. Hook up the water gun, deploy the hose, turn on the fire hydrant. Press the LD201 hydrant button. At this time, the hydrant button sends the alarm signal back to the central control room. Start the fire pump at the same time. Crews can use water cannon to fight the fire on site. When the fire broke out, fire shutter door isolation fire zone, preventing the spread of fire smoke. On the ceiling on both sides of the fire shutter door, separately installed one heat detector and one smoke detector. The LD6800 EC module can be used to complete half drop and full drop of the shutter door. After receiving the alarm signal from the smoke detector, the controller sends the action command to the module. The rolling shutter door is lowered by half to prevent smoke and to help escape. As the fire grows, the rolling door receives signal from a point temperature detector LD3300N. The rolling shutter door performs full force through the LD6800 EC module. When the fire broke out, the temperature rises to the rated value. The sprinkler head will automatically break and spray the fire. The water flow indicator sends the water flow signal back to the central control room through the LD4400E module. The pressure difference generated in the pipeline enables the pressure switch to transmit the alarm signal back to the central control room through the LD4401 module. When the controller receives the alarm signal, it sends out the command to start the spray pump through the LD6800C module to meet the water and pressure required to extinguish the fire. Based on automatic fire alarm system. Through the LD6900 fire networking system, the fire situation can be reported to the City Fire Network Monitoring Center in real time in order to get timely and effective rescue, maximize the protection of users' life and property safety.